Now, what's up, everyone? Let's go through our trade today. We actually got out of one trade. We profited pretty awesome on EEM. EEM was an awesome security because we got in at the 42.5 strike. Got a major move up today. Got out right at the open. We entered that trade for about 250, might have been 230, somewhere around that. And we actually got out for 50%, a little more than 50%. So awesome trade there on EEM. Now let's take a look at the other one that we put on. We have been trying to get into GDXJ for what feels like forever. So in GDXJ, so here is the trade. As you can see, July 26th strike. Or July 26th date, 3, so a little large, but we're at 60th percentile, right? 60th percentile IV, which means we want to be a little bit more aggressive than perhaps we usually are, because we can get a larger credit, which means our break evens are a little bit wider, right? So we got 246 on this trade. $2.46 on this trade, which is great, right? 246 is a huge credit. It's almost, it's basically just over 8%, right? 8%. So GDXJ from expiration can either move up 8% or it can move down 8%, and we're still going to profit, right? Which is a great way to set up these trades. So you can see here, we ended up, so we were down here a little bit, maybe in this area, this 29 area, I think, when we opened. And then we just zoomed past that and went all the way up to 30.45 at the close. Our break evens on the upside are 32.46, and our break even on the downside is 27.54, right? Which gives us pretty clear break even opportunities. So we'll probably add right at 32.50. and add at 27.50, right? Otherwise, we're just going to let the security move back and forth. We currently have a probability of profit of 54.84%. Early management tells us that we're going to have that open a little bit better. And as you can see, as we just move closer and closer to expiration, profit moves up. This moves up, or probability of profit moves up. So, we'll go back down to today's date. I feel really good about the trade. Looking forward to hopefully getting this off for a little bit of profit here as we look to continue to build out future portfolios. So this is it. Very systematic trade for us here today. Nothing revolutionary, nothing out of the ordinary, and so that's where we're at. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, happy trading. Awesome. So what you just saw was an example of a video that I send every single evening that I make an opening trade, a closing trade, or an adjusting trade to the members here at sellthatoption.com. I sincerely believe that when it comes to the stock market, right, there's so much misinformation out there that you have to have somebody, at least at the start, teaching you and guiding you and really getting you the behind the scenes information and really into the mindset of somebody that's figured it out and is successful. And so not only do I send a ton of educational content, I have these courses right here. I send the daily recap videos. I send the weekly strategy videos. I've got general knowledge base. I've got Udemy courses, right? But I want you to, when I'm able to talk about, right, the trades that I make and why I was making the trades that I was making, that is true education, right? That is education that it's not just me sending out what I'm doing and expecting you all to blindly follow that, right? That's literally the opposite of what I want to do, right? That's not what this is about. This is about true education. It's about truly teaching and saying, hey, this is what I was thinking. This is what I was seeing. And I sincerely believe that that's one of the most effective ways to really learn how to do this. Now, what I'd like for you to know is that first, visit my site. Go here to Stock Trading Services. If you'd like to join, right, use discount code YouTube, all lowercase, YouTube, and that's going to get you 50% off all of my services, okay? So, again, discount code YouTube for any of these potential stock trading services. So you're going to get my lifetime membership, 50% off, right? Yearly quarterly, monthly, 50% off with the code YouTube. Follow me on social media via either on YouTube or in Twitter or on my Facebook or on my Instagram. Follow me on my social media platforms that you can see right up here in the corners. Okay, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. I'll add Instagram on there. But again, discount code 50% off YouTube. All right, if y'all have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at Ryan, RYAN, at sellthatoption.com. Again, 50% off code is YouTube, all lowercase. And if you have any questions at all, reach out to me. Otherwise, stay humble, stay hungry, and here's to our success.